air conditioned, the high ceiling, well lit. Thanks, Down B.
Thank you, Down B. Wisely giving us the thumbs up. Okay, Battlefield is yours.
One, go!
They're going right in. You can tell because he threw out the Wario shoulder right away.
Right.
It's the Wario special. You just open with it.
Just open with it for sure.
Works about half the time.
Oh, I guess you didn't have a jump there.
Game & Watch with no jump? I would do, if I were him, I'd reset my controller right now.
Right.
That sounds like you're supposed to have several jumps as Game & Watch.
Yeah, something's not right here. Something's fishy. I call it collusion. I just noticed that we're getting Ripple's Zero Suit Samus. I know that he had said he was going to drop DDD, and I think this is his planned secondary, so...
Yeah, he probably doesn't, you know, considering they lost the last set, he's going to try something new.
Hey, you know what? I think his Zero Suit's actually pretty decent, too, so, like, definitely, like, give him a new look.
Yeah, I mean, he's got a bunch of characters.
Yeah, for sure.
He's definitely shown the ability to play multiple characters proficiently.
Yeah.
Also, did you see that down air up smash?
Yeah, I thought he was
He
gonna
got
get
both of them.
I thought he was going to maybe kill both of them, but not quite.
He's just scooping them up.
Oh, nice call from Marshall.
Dunked on.
I take no joy in dying to Game & Watch this down air, but I do think that the Keyblade's pretty hype.
I mean, it's barely even a blade. It's just a big old key.
Yeah.
What could it even unlock? Probably unlocks Knuckles.
Dead.
Well, this is pretty even so far. I mean, Marshall's living at a really high percent. His shield is looking pretty small. He might have been blocking there and just got shield stabbed.
Shield drop up air will take it, though.
Right.
Man, how wonky is Lucas's magnet? Just like, I don't understand how it's
the
called a
world's
magnet.
weirdest shrine.
Just like pulls you behind him. So wonky.
It's hard to say right now if this is going better or worse than when Ripple played DD.
Right. That was a good pickup.
He just throws the PK Thunder at him. Flying electric tackle.
That's the real name of that.
And he does it again. The Madman.
Oh, that was actually so sick.
Oh, yeah.
PK freeze into Wasp.
He broke him out of the grab, and he was just mashing down B, right?
Yeah.
That's smart. It's a good team play.
That was really good.
It's the smart move.
He's multi-magnet pressure. Makes me want to play Lucas, but I'm not nearly technical enough.
Scoops up both with that forward side. The hitboxes on Zero Suit's whip moves are enormous.
Yeah, right. Yeah, if you've never done so, open up debug mode and look at Zero Suit's whip hitboxes. They're pretty interesting.
You'll be amazed. Or maybe a little mad.
Yeah, maybe.
And then you'll remember that it's not that great. So.
Right. Yep. It hits them forever. That up air will take it. It's like the Nest combo.
He calls tech in place, but he didn't quite get it.
All right, that falling down air was pretty good for Marshall.
He's got blue team on the ropes trying to recover.
Yeah, you know, if they clean up these stocks quick, or if Sosa just cleans up his stock quick, then
He throws multiple jabs. Smoke him out.
he's like, "You're gonna feed me bacon? I'll just eat it."
Do something crazy. That was almost crazy.
Yeah. Marshall's like, "Nah, I'm just gonna not get 4 stock right now."
He took his victories, small victories.
Yeah.
You take those and you go.
Cut your losses.
He just wanted to not go out like a buster.
That's right.
I wonder where they'll try to go. Oh, FD, here we go.
FD.
I think, was this their counter pick last set?
It was. It was the game 2 and 3 counter pick. I wasn't a fan, to be honest, but
I mean, I think HyperFlame and Sosa have been counter picked here a lot today, and they've done pretty good on it.
I think both of those characters are good on this stage. You know, not that Game & Watch and DD or Zero Suit aren't, but
Toasted. He got him with that, barely clipped him with that up smash.
yeah, it's so humongous, dude.
It wasn't even the powered up version.
I know. That's the scary part.
Strong as hell, dude.
Yeah, like when you get the like OU up smash, dude, that's just like a bonus, dude.
HyperFlame just throwing out hitboxes. He's
Just waiting.
wow! Did you see that? HyperFlame just held the magnet.
Yep.
He's like, please heal me.
Yeah, he knew exactly what Ripple was gonna do.
Ripple's like, I guess I have to
I
now.
guess I have to. Oh wow, that gets the reverse
break.
of the F smash to finish
Wario.
off the stop.
Almost had his shield shattered. That would have been the third one today.
Oh, that neutral was really good. It's a perfect angle. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not too sure what Red Team needs to be doing better, man. They're getting like beat up pretty hard in the 1v1s. And I'm feeling like they're really not knowing at all how to like play off each other with this team combo.
Yeah, I mean, it just boils down to like, sometimes there's not one specific strategy that you lost to. You just got outplayed in a lot of small situations.
He's like, you don't need to
The
have
big
all
whip.
these stocks anymore.
And then he shoots his teammate with the blaster, like, please.
Doesn't matter if Wario is facing away from you, dude. Just if he blocks your attack on shield, that neutral area just always will hit.
Wow.
Like there.
Is he going to make it back? What can he do?
Nothing.
Nothing at all is what he can do.
I remember when people were all salty about Chad
no.
3.0, and then they got nerfed, and now it's so easy to punish them.
Well, it was really hard before.
It was.
Now it's, you know, it's hard to strike that middle ground.
It is. That's kind of what I was getting at.
He got him with the janky 0-2 down throw hitbox at the ledge. Oh, you could fill up the bucket with that down
you sure
smash?
can. That would be actually amazing to see. He's got the waft online though.
I mean, he can throw the bucket even if it's not full.
Right.
Even just one charge gives him another move that can kill.
Yeah, I feel like not a lot of Game & Watches outside of LZ really use that tactic. Okay.
Drop the bucket on him.
So it's an uphill battle, but we'll see.
Drop the bucket. I just want to see some wild stuff, dude.
Right? Isn't that what everyone wants out of doubles, man?
No! He didn't get a chance to empty it.
Yes, blue team.
Let's see if they can make the adjustments. Although, like we were saying, I don't even know what adjustments necessarily need to be made besides play better, which is, you know, extremely vague and hard to. when all the advice that you can think of, even if it's just for yourself, is, man, I need to do better than I just did. It's like, it's tough.
All right, Ganondorf.
That'll give him some kill power. Maybe he's trying to just make up for the fact that they're consistently losing small situations and just hit him with some big damage so that even if they win situations less, the ones that they do win will be worth more just because Ganon hits so hard.
Yeah, makes sense. All right. First blood from Red Team.
Yeah, off to a good start, I suppose.
Kills his teammate, though, for some reason.
Okay, sometimes you just got to punch your teammate.
Gotta let him know. Oh, I
Big
love that,
damage.
dude.
It's like 50% now.
I love when people get both hits of the down smash.
That Lucas got hit like 3 times and he's at 70%. Ganon is so strong.
Wow. Game & Watch, truly a force to be reckoned with on FOD, man. You can't escape. You can't escape.
No. And he'll always recover, and
Yeah.
he can hit you through the platforms. Like, this is a good place for Game & Watch.
Yeah. Oh man, those bacon approaches were really, really nice actually. They were both trying to find out where they were off in the magnifying glass. Both Marshall and HyperFlame were like trying to take each other out. As a result, they just both missed.
Yep. Ooh. That's some day one Ganon stuff. I'm a little surprised that worked. Side B into down B.
Yeah.
That's not supposed to work at you know, anything above low level play.
Maybe it's just
Ooh, another down smash.
that's what Yomi, right? Like do the thing that's not supposed to work.
Nobody would expect the fourth down smash in a row, and that's why it works. Only a madman would do 5 of the same move.
Right. Well, I like that down tilt a lot.
Yeah, Ganon's tilts are, forward and down tilt at least, are very good.
Yeah.
Ooh, he misses the tech. But that'll kill him. He died for that tech.
Yep.
For that
So,
lack of tech.
Ripple maybe on his doubles tournament stock here. Both red team are.
I'll be honest, I don't see red team making this back. This team is just too strong.
Yep.
Ooh, so many back airs from Sosa.
Yeah, let's just hope we can see something cool.
Ooh.
Oh man.
He
Up
clipped
B.
it with the up B,
Yep.
it comboed into back air from the ledge.
All right, just like go out there and bite him or something, man. Just do something cool.
He went for the waft.
HyperFlame, like I don't need you, Sosa. I'll just do this myself.
He down aired Marshall's shield and bounced into the Ganon forward air.
Both of red team over 100% right now. Yep.
Ooh.
Gave him the clap.
I'd say that's it.
When Ganondorf is your last hope.
At this point, the best we can hope for is that he takes someone out with a suicide side B.
Right.
Ooh, he doesn't even get that.
Congratulations to HyperFlame and Sosa. First place at
Doubles
First Runner
champs.
Bubble. Very nice.
When the Midwest doesn't even win the Midwest Regional, like.
Yeah.
Huh?
All right.
We're going to cut the stream for 10 minutes or so while we try and get this internet problem fixed, because apparently we've been having really choppy drop frames, etc. So we'll be back
This has been Darth Shard
at Jax.
signing off.
I don't know what they are either, so he's not going to deal with that.